Formulas are sometimes easy to implement, but hard to read, because you always have these references like A11, C6 and so on. And actually it's hard to understand if you read the formula what's all behind. There is one way out. You can name certain cells or certain cell ranges. What you have to do is, okay, you click on a cell, in this case it's F3, and here you have this name box, and I could go in here and call it somehow, for example, price. Oops. And I have to enter with return, and now this cell is no longer called F3 but price. And what if I would like to refer on this price, let's say $23, then I can say, okay, I have 2 times the thing. I can say the total price, if I have 2 units, is 2 times. Yeah, and you see, if I enter PR, then price is already given. Yeah, and I can say price, it's 46. Now I'll make it like this. In here, I have already entered prices. So, for example, these cell range is called costs. Yeah, and here it's called total cost, and you can define the total cost as a sum of all other costs. And I've done some more. So if I go to formulas and go to show formulas, then not the result, but the formulas are shown. So what you get now is, here is constants like 5,000, 15,000 and so on. I do have my calculation for the percentage, which is always C3 divided by total costs. Here I have a formula which is sum of all costs, and the cell is named total costs. And here I have 100 units. This cell is called unit, and the unit price is total cost per unit. A profit of 20% I would like to make. So here the unit net price is unit price times 1 plus profit, and so on and so on. Yeah. Go back. Yeah. So if I click in here, you simply can see these formulas again. What if I would like to delete a name? Yeah, the name manager as well in this ribbon formulas. Here you can see all these names I have used and defined so far. I could change it and handle all the things with names in here. There's one thing you have to mention. If you would like to make a name, you cannot have a space, an empty space in there. For example, if you name it A empty space C and you would like to send it away, then you get a syntax error. You can only use letters and the underscore. You can't use a minus, so you have to change the name. So again, go in there and maybe you could name it A underscore C, which is definitely not a good name, but you know what I'm after. I can recommend to use names. It makes the handling and preparation and testing and reading of the Excel files much easier.